Okay, well, what do we have here? Okay, so it looks like, what's that, the first floor? That's the first floor. And what I need to do on the second floor, I need to copy the information on the first floor level to the second level, right? And looks like we got these stub outs. Well, I don't know, soffits, I guess you could call it. Whatever it is, we need this stuff so that we can run our pipe up in the wall. I'm gonna call these risers, okay? So these guys, and what I need to do is, looks like I have my axis ready. Okay, let's come down just a little bit. Let's extend. Let's see. Let's extend. Let's go here and here. Okay. And I think I'm gonna need to reassign a detail line so that it is coming off the midpoint of this vertical line. So I am going to hotkey DL and see that point is my midpoint. Okay, so I click left click and come out, because what I need to do is mirror all of this information from the women's toilet. Let's copy this up and call it women's room. Home cap. Okay, so we have women's room and men's room. Okay, so because this group of fixtures are similar, then what I want to do is copy up to the second level, and I need to mirror, or those of you from the AutoCAD world know what I'm talking about when I say mirror. It's this information is gonna flip. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to the 3D view, and this is the information. Okay, this is the information that I need, and what I need to do is make sure that everything or nothing is being pinned. Let's take a look. Okay, so nothing is being pinned. So with all of those, that information, let's call it information. Go back to the first floor level plan. Okay, and these guys are highlighted. Okay, so what we need to do is mirror, and that's this command or option. Okay, so I'm gonna left click that, and it says in the bottom left hand corner, it says select the axis of reflection. What's the reflection? I think this might be a reflection. See? So reflection, so select the axis of reflection. So I'm going to select this guy. Okay. And what it's going to do is rotate over. And now I'm going to go to the second level. Right? You see the second level will have the same information as the first level. So with this section, okay, and make sure that it is set at 1 inch is equal to 400 feet. Hide at scales coarser than, whatever that means. If 1 inch is equal to 400 feet does not work for you, or you know how to decode it, by all means. But with the scale being set at 1 inch is equal to 400 feet, I seem to have my scales show up on all the levels instead of on some of them, because they're at different scales or different levels and different scales, or whatever the code is. It doesn't make sense. So make sure that it's set at 1 inch is equal to 400 feet, whatever that means. So when we go to the section, let's go to the section, guys, and let's highlight. Nope. I want to go to this view, the 3D view. 3D view always works. Always. And let's control and select again. Okay. So now we'll go to the section and copy. Let's copy unconstrained. And I know that the distance is going to be 15 feet. Okay. So that says second level, but it could be something else. So 15 feet. Click to enter, move, start point. Okay. So that's somewhere, somewhere, click to enter, start point. That's somewhere over here. Somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna click right, I'm gonna throw a dart right there. Anyway, so, oh man. Okay, so from there, and then type in 15. I'll type in 1, 5, enter. Okay, you don't have to do the feet. You don't have to. Okay, so let's go to the second level. First levels, we can go to first level. Let's go to first level, and we have, what we need to do is go up to the second level, and the second level is good. So on the first level, we can create risers. Let's take these guys. We are going to create, I'm just going to trim these back. Okay, trim here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so on the second level, and first, same thing on the other side, because I'm gonna bring up the risers. Okay, the vent will have a riser that goes to the roof, and the second level water pipes will have an elbow, right? Going to each, from the first floor, going to each fixture on the second level. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, let's trim these guys back. Trim. Multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the second. Well, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so going back to the first level. Okay, so we can go up, draw a pipe, right? The middle elevation is at 11 feet, but we are going to change that so that it becomes a riser. Okay, so we're gonna, I don't know, it could be 30 feet, and apply current offset. Okay, so that we can see that that's going up now. So if we go to the second level and go over to this area, what we can do, we can rotate our yeah, well, we could rotate the section view. We can also go to a 3D view to make that connection here, right? Just to, I mean, I can wait until all of them are here, but I think that it's better to make all of the connections here. Okay, I can make this plus the 3 others once they are in place, but just as an example, you can from here here, right, and make that connection. Okay, and make sure that we have 1, 2. We are continuing to count our fixture units. Okay, so that's that. And for the, let's go back to the first floor. Okay, and we are there, and the same thing, first level. We can go up, and it's gonna elbow up, but we can, it doesn't, we can do the same thing, right? Let's go, let's do 30. 30, okay, 30, apply, right? Do the same thing, 30, apply, right? Do the same thing, go over 30, repetitious, apply, right? Go down to on the other side where the men's bathroom is. We can go up, right here, and 30, apply. What happened? Let's try this again. Draw a pipe, and we can go up 30 feet, apply. Okay, same thing for the cold water, but we're gonna make an elbow on the second level, right? 30 and apply. Hot water, okay, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50. Apply. Okay, so we still do the same thing, and we do 30, apply. Okay, and now when we go up to the second level, let's do second level. Let's go here, and what we can do is, so this is where we go to the 3D view, right? Because everything is looking, what we're looking at is a plan view, but it's kind of, it's just better to make the connections in a 3D view from here. Okay, so you go here, and we're gonna need 3 elbows, right? Because this is the hot water, cold water, hot water return, and they are, okay, because based on these colors I know that this is a hot water return. So let me get a good angle, I think, to, let's see, I'm gonna stop playing for a minute. I can see what's going on. I just wanted to see if I could get a good angle at these guys, but I'm gonna leave it at that. So we go here, and for the hot water here and there, and for the cold water here and there. Okay, so that's going up in the ceiling space. We just go up in the ceiling space, or we could go in the floor space. So we're going down, 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 and the source is going down, down. Okay, so we're gonna have a source, it looks like, coming from one of these elbows. Okay, from the hot water and the cold water. Okay, from, where are we, first floor, hot water. Okay, so what we do, go to 3D level, right? Go to the first floor, take off here, and hot water return here. And what we can do, we can look at just a bit so we can take that off. Okay, and going back to the first level, let's go back. Okay, and what we see, we can, here we're going to go into the mechanical room and get the source of our water, okay, which is the cold water, hot water, and we're going to connect to a hot water return. So I'm gonna make a detail line. So let's make this detail line here, okay, and extend 1, 2, 3, okay, so that we can make that connection. Let's go back to the 3D view and make our T, okay. So we just we can do here, right, and from here we go here, okay, and here we go here, and now, I mean, this size can change, whatever, but we are feeding, and we should have fixture units, total fixture units here that we need to size this pipe, right? And for the hot water is 4.5 fixture units. For the cold water, okay, I'm getting 4.5 also. Okay. So, I mean, that can be, I mean, so whatever pipe size that is based on the code, and GPM and fixture units. Okay, so where are we going here? Okay, so I think that I'm going to stop and okay, yeah, I think that that's a good place to stop, because what I could do, what we're gonna need to do is look at the source for the water for the men's toilet. So that looks like that's gonna be fun. Okay, guys. Well, I'll talk to you guys later.